Welcome educators to the professional development for Google Classroom. Before we get started with the module lessons, I wanted to double check that everybody has received an email from me with the following link. If you have not, please let me know so I can get that sent out to you. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and click on this and we can review quickly the pre-assessment for this course. The purpose of this assessment is for me to gauge your knowledge level of Google Classroom that guides our training. When you take a look at this pre-assessment, the first question is asking if you have any experience using any Google apps, so Docs, Slides, or Sheets. The second question is asking if you've ever accessed Google Classroom before, whether to use it professionally or experiment with it. If your answer is no, please go ahead and stop your survey here. You will not be able to answer any of the questions that follow. If your answer is yes, I want you to go ahead and continue with the survey. Question number 3 is asking if you've created a class within Google Classroom before, and if you have you invited students to join in your classroom? And have you created or managed multiple classes? Question number 4 is asking if you've ever created assignments within Classroom and if you were successful in managing these assignments and student work. And the last question is asking if you've ever posted announcements in Classroom or if you've ever posted links or resources or any type of curricular content somewhere in Google Classroom. Once you've done this, we can go ahead and get started, and you can go ahead and click on Module 1.